Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Samco Infratech. I am Shivangi Srivastava, Technical Engineer at Samco Infratech. Today I am going to explain you why cell grading is important in manufacturing a battery pack and talking about the lithium-ion batteries grading system. Lithium-ion cell grading system measures quality by looking at factors like capacity, voltage stability, internal resistance, discharge curve performance, cycle life and more. So, firstly, we will know what is cell grading. Cell grading means to segregate all cells with the same capacity. If all the cells with same capacity, battery performance is very high. So, why cell grading is important? Through of the cell grading will determine the discharging capacity, the voltage, the shorting of those only cells that fulfill the requirement and other important aspects. Combination of series and parallel. We take our common series and parallel battery pack as an example. Ideally, the cell in all the battery pack exactly the same, but in some battery pack, same batch of producing cell still have different performance, including the power factor like capacity and IR. So, the cell grading is very important because of the common batch cells with the different performance. For a good battery packs manufacturing, we need same capacity and same voltage for each cells in that battery pack. Otherwise, battery will start getting unbalanced and damaged very quickly. So, the cell grading is very important in our battery pack, and this cell grading machine is very important in battery manufacturing field. So now with this machine I am explaining you how to grade the cells with this machine. This cell tester is used for production purpose of cylindrical and pouch type cells. The fixture and adjustable and it can be compatible with multiple types of cells so as to truly achieve a multi-purpose and maximize the use value. This equipment required SC 3-phase 390 to 450 volt plus minus 10% and 50 Hz, and power consumption of this machine is 23 kilowatt. So this is our software interface. You can see here all the cells connected with this machine. This voltage is visible on this screen. It is showing 3.2 volt. Now for the programming we have to click right and start up. Here we can program the steps according to our cells rating. Firstly, we are discharging. So here is discharging current 50 amps and discharging voltage 2.5 volt. After that, we are charging with same 50 amps current and voltage is higher cutoff of this cell rating 3.65 volt. Now we are sending this program to all the channels. Now we will see all the program started in all channels. Here this is showing 50 amps current and after that this line is showing AH rating, because now our cell is discharging. So in this we can check the all channels draft and also details. Here this is draft, you can see. When you click on details, you can see per each seconds data of your all channels. Here you can see the AH value. We can easily separate all our cells with same AH or different AH. We can make program according to our requirement. For separate the channels, we click here to separate. Here we can separate according to our requirement. This option is for shorting the cells according to capacity, time, open voltage. You can see here. We can set here our requirement of AH value. So this is all about cell grading machine. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos and updates, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.